Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today we're going to be making Insalata di Fiori, which is Fiori salad. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. Preheated my grill at 400 degrees. It's ready to go. I'm going to put my peppers down and let them roast. They're going to take approximately 10 minutes. I'm going to keep turning them. I like to take the seeds out because I don't really like seeds in my food. My peppers, as you can see, they're ready to go. Now I'm going to cut my tomatoes. Okay. Same thing, nice thick slices. This is our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.